Hello and good morning. So I think I woke up sick this morning and I was just like, I really need to put health in my body. I'm filming a vegan breakfast mukbang. It is currently 9:50 in the morning. I have class at noon, so we have a bit of time to, hang out. This isn't going to be the most exciting mukbang food-wise. I made some avocado toast. I'm really hoping this doesn't fall down because that'd be really sad. Ta-da! So yeah, I really mashed it because I added some lime juice and some garlic salt. I'm really excited. And I added cherry tomatoes because the plate looked really boring without them. In this little bowl right here, I just have a lot of apples and some bananas, and I'm just gonna enjoy this with some peanut butter. This is my favorite peanut butter ever. It's the crunchy salted one from Trader Joe's. I feel like peanut butter is really boring. It's just smooth, so I like to get the one with nuts. Oh, and then for my beverage of choice, I'm going to drink this Health Aid kombucha. I almost always have 2 cups of coffee for breakfast every morning. Not even kidding, that is my morning routine. This morning I'm gonna have kombucha and I'm really excited. It's a blood orange carrot ginger. Okay, cheers. Ooh, that's good. The light bulb broke in my room, so now I have no lighting. So we're using direct sunlight. That's great. I'm gonna add some chili flakes. I like it spicy. I also have this everything bagel seasoning, so I'm gonna add a little bit of this. Not too much because I already added salt to my guac, so don't want to make it too salty. All right, and here we go. So good. I'm literally almost halfway done. Got a chili flake in the back of my throat. So the bread I'm using is the whole grain Ezekiel bread. It's so good. And I toast it real well. That was so fast. Literally 1 minute in, I'm almost done with my first toast. That's why it pisses me off when I go to a coffee shop and they have the audacity to charge you $10 for avocado toast when you know damn right you can finish that in 2 minutes. Oh! I got some avocado on my hand. I'm sorry, I'm honestly such a messy eater. I asked you guys to ask me questions on Instagram on what things I should talk about in my video. A lot of you guys said to talk about Coachella. I feel like it's too late to talk about Coachella. If you guys still want me to talk about it, leave your comments below. I went camping. Really, really cool experience. I have really cool tips, but I could always save that for next year. If you want me to talk about it, let me know. But for this video, I'm not going to. Another thing you guys really mentioned was to talk about what I plan on doing after graduation. So, wow, that's so good. Blood orange Health Aid kombucha. That's so good. Wow. Plans after grad. I'm currently a 4th year nutrition major, and I am graduating from Cal Poly in about 2 months. So, it's coming quick. Most people, when they go through the nutrition major, they do it because they want to become registered dietitians, nutritionists. I don't know what they call it in your state or country. You do a dietetic internship, you take the RD exam, and then you become a registered dietitian. Then you can work basically wherever you want, nutrition related. Once you got that credential, you can do anything. Honey, nothing stopping you, that's for sure. Added some peanut butter, some protein, some healthy fats, some carbs. We love carbs. What was I talking about? Right, RD. Most of my colleagues, is that the word colleagues? I feel like that's such an old person word. A lot of my classmates applied to dietetic internships. A lot of my friends got into them. But a few months ago, when it was time to submit applications back in February, I just decided not to. It was a really hard decision. The idea of moving and maybe pursuing a job in healthcare or policy, I was I don't know if I want to do that. I know, weird, right? Of course, I figure this shit out when I'm a senior about to graduate. Yeah, that's exciting. I decided not to apply, so I am not doing a dietetic internship and I'm not going to become a registered dietitian. What? Weird. And I have my reasons for it. It's so good. Like, oh, I really thought about it. And I love making videos. I love filming content, and I love doing food photography. So then I was like, oh, maybe I'll do that. So I looked into a lot of food photography jobs. I applied to some, didn't get any. Mostly because I don't have any experience doing food photography besides like YouTube stuff. Food marketing, food photography. And then when I couldn't get any jobs in it, I was like, okay, now I'm really screwed. But then came an epiphany. Yes, I love taking pics of food and like filming it, but you know what I love more? Eating it and making the food. So I thought, I want to be a chef. I think this is like a Gemini thing. I'm one of those bitches that actually like really believes in that. So I just like say one thing and then like change my mind and then I do another. I'm so all over the place. I never really know what I want exactly. Yeah, I'm super indecisive, hate committing to things. But the idea of like going to culinary school and making like amazing vegan food and maybe one day just like working as a chef just really, really excites me. Since I'll have my bachelor's in nutrition, I could always go back to school and become a registered dietitian if I really want to. And just make food. Make really good food all the time. So that's the game plan. I'm looking into this one culinary school. They said it was 90% vegan. Other 10% is vegetarian, but whatever, you know, can't win everything. It's kind of expensive. Culinary school is not cheap, so I'm on the fence about it, but as of right now, that's what I really want to do. Random, I know, yeah. Also, my foot really fell asleep. It's uncomfortable, really uncomfortable. Oh, God. I'm back. Also, I don't really know how to pronounce mukbang, so please don't hate me. I know I suck, okay? Let's just move past it, alright? But yeah, those are my, I guess, some future plans as of right now. Really exciting stuff. Also, I understand I don't look very cute. I literally woke up and I was like, I'm gonna make breakfast. And that's what happened. This is the best. I finished my avocado toast because that was definitely the best part. I'm still working on this. I'll probably just continue eating this as I do YouTuber stuff, you know, answer emails. I say YouTuber stuff, but I very rarely do business stuff. Okay, well, let me know down below in the comments what you guys want to see next. Thank you for having breakfast with me. It was really, really fun. Currently 10:13. I'm gonna fix this and get ready for class. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Love you. Bye.